Thanks to an ingenious invention made from bamboo and powered by wind energy, large areas can be cleared of landmines, thereby saving human lives.
When it comes to emergency stops, this barrier is second to none. Like this video if you thought this would make a cool Fast and Furious Scene 2. Say goodbye to being late, because now you can roll up to any spot in no time with your inflatable scooter in a backpack. This robot is the definition of zero limits. It simply cannot be stopped, no doubt about it. Guys, believe it or not, but we live in a mind-blowing world where delivery takes just 30 seconds. Relaxing at work is easy when you have the chairless chair in your arsenal. This is a total game changer that makes driving safer and much more comfortable. Get ready for the ultimate mouse that will revolutionize the way you work. This mode of transportation looks like something out of Hogwarts. Well, either that or a retro tractor. Tell us what you think in the comments. You don't have to waste precious time parking anymore. A smart robot will do it for you. With an AI-powered shepherd dog, not a single sheep will be lost. Just wait. In a couple more years, we'll be strolling across the water like it's nothing. This Ford seat is straight fire. With such a powerful washing station, germs just don't stand a chance. Prepare to have your mind completely blown by the world's first virtual reality laptop. This massive mech suit may seem like a prop from a sci-fi flick, but it's actually a legit robot that makes a person 50 times stronger. I love how this thing changes shape and becomes a piece of creative furniture in your home. Take a look at the huge tracks on this vehicle that allow it to move at speeds of over 37 kilometers per hour. Take a look at this unique way to get around that provides a smooth gliding ride. Witness the sheer power of the Skywall cannon for accurately targeting and neutralizing drones. This small but powerful pusher can easily move vehicles weighing up to 9 tons. No more mess guaranteed. Just pure sound when this state-of-the-art technology takes on the task of cleaning your ears. The Urban Circus needs just 0.08 seconds to protect you from a fall. Admit it, a jetpack is the first thing you'd want to try out yourself, isn't it? Stay cozy even in Alaska. This extreme shelter's innovative pockets collect snow for insulation, while the inner lining retains body heat. For just $15 a year, Japanese citizens can store their bikes to save space in their garage. Wow, this is an incredible fan-based magic that creates stunning 3D holograms. Elevate yourself to superhero status with boots that allow you to overcome human limitations with every step. You're looking at a one-stop solution for all your agricultural needs. It's really mind-blowing. This solar panel is equipped with solar tracking technology, resulting in 40% more energy output. A hopping 4 city transformer cars can fit in the space typically taken up by a single vehicle. This guy would fit in perfectly in a modern ballet. The powerful air core turbine is guaranteed to put out fires with significantly less water consumption. This machine is undoubtedly fearless when it comes to extreme off-roading. Thanks to self-planting seeds, sowing hard-to-reach places and reforestation after fires is now a possibility. Conquer snowy terrain by easily converting your old bike into a snowmobile with the S-Track Snow Bike Conversion Kit. Only a true genius could fit an umbrella in a backpack, making it a game-changer for a hands-free convenience. Wow, it only takes a couple of seconds to set up an entire rice plantation. Check out the most effective electric toothbrush ever. Finally, your best friend doesn't have to sleep on the floor anymore when they come to visit you. Dynamic shape display technology allows users to interact with digital information in a tactile way. Exploring the world from the comfort of your favorite recliner? Totally doable. Fall asleep anywhere with this ridiculously comfortable pillow. Even the most impeccable ironing skills can't compete with this ironing cabinet. Prepare to be amazed by a wonder of technology, the world's first underwater jetpack. Check out this cool six-legged robot crab designed to patrol the coast from the seafloor. Improve your health in the city with responsive cushioning in your shoes. Attention students, this robot will become your best friend when it writes all your notes in your handwriting.